So you guys, I'm gonna teach you how to do the Super Sneeze, Super Crash Can, and Super Slap. Actually, start off, guys, because I was begging because somebody did it to me in private server. I mean, in public, and it's cool. Like, they didn't tell me, so I read and I just start off how to do it. So all you have to do, go to the strong hero. I think he had his awakening round, which is me after, but you can only do one at a time. So you can only do one. So say now I did Super Sneeze. So I got the Crash Can, Super Crash Can event, and Super Slap until you get awakening again. If I just put in over here, put in. Yeah, if I just do bring. I missed. Oh, guys, it has me. Oh my god, I suck. Guys, I really need to So that's just that one. That's now I need to punch him again. Oh. Okay. Now see, you want to do serious. I'm gonna show you guys see Trash Can first. Yeah. Now that's it, guys. Make sure to stay tuned. And yeah. I want to test this glitch out. Where? It's supposed to be hands. Ah, I messed up. I think it does.